Wag nating pag-usapan lang yung pagbabago ng mga ugali natin. Baguhin muna natin yung kaisipan natin. Pagdating naman doon sa New Year's resolution na pinag-uusapan natin, ang suggestion ko is, let us resolve to have the right thinking. There is a difference between values and principles. Pag ang resolution mo is only in terms of values, magpapakabait na ako, pero hindi mo naman naintindihan yung tamang kahulugan ng buhay kung bakit tayo magiging mabait, wala kang tamang thinking, wala ka sa prinsipyo. Principles are more basic and in fact the grounding of values. Values can change, but principles are permanent. What does it mean when I say permanent? It is something which is changeless, timeless, and in fact universal. Ang point ko dito is kung gusto natin talaga magbago, wag nating pag-usapan lang yung pagbabago ng mga ugali natin. Baguhin muna natin yung kaisipan natin. Let us have a beautiful understanding, a beautiful thinking about life. Life is a gift.